Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dissect the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed purchasing decisions. Today, we've got something exciting for all you GoPro enthusiasts out there. Feast your eyes on the Gigastone 512GB micro SD card, touted as the best companion for your GoPro Session 5.
Let's dive in.
Now, why do we claim it's the best?
Well, let's break it down.
First off, this bad boy offers a whopping 512GB of storage capacity, ensuring you never run out of space for all those adrenaline-pumping adventures. Whether you're capturing epic mountain biking trails or shredding waves at the beach, this SD card has got your back. But it's not just about the storage capacity. The Gigastone micro SD card boasts impressive read-write speeds of up to 1/180ths of a megabyte per second, making it perfect for recording Ultra HD 4K videos and capturing high-speed action shots without missing a beat. Say goodbye to lag and buffering, and hello to smooth, crystal-clear footage.
Now, let's talk about compatibility.
This versatile SD card isn't just limited to GoPro cameras. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, laptops, and even the Nintendo Switch. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or a casual adventurer, this SD card is your go-to solution for all your storage needs. And here's the cherry on top. Gigastone offers a 5-year limited warranty, including free data recovery. That's right, you heard me correctly. With Gigastone's unparalleled customer support, you can rest assured that your precious memories are safe and sound, no matter what. So there you have it, folks.
The Gigastone 512GB micro SD card is the ultimate companion for your GoPro Session 5.
Don't just take my word for it. Check out the rave reviews from satisfied customers all around the globe.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Until next time, happy filming!